Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove some scratches and imperfections from a shiny plastic cover on a laptop. This is a netbook, and as you can see, it's got a huge scratch on the top and it's got some imperfections. I've already wiped this with alcohol and removed any sticker residue, but as you can see, it's got some scuff marks and things like that. So what I'm going to be using is something that they sell for cars. You can go to your local store, your auto parts store, and pick it up. It's a scratch eraser kit, and it comes with a liquid. It comes with this liquid here, and a pad that you install on a drill, and a microfiber cloth. So the way this works is I'm gonna shake the liquid a little bit, then put a couple of drops, and go at it with the drill. Basically, I just splatter first I spread it like this, and then I go at it with the drill like this until I hard to do it with one hand, but all right. And then you take the microfiber cloth, you wipe off the residue, you can already see that scratch is pretty much gone. There's still a little bit left there. I could keep on doing it, and there's still a little bit left right here that you can see. Same thing here. I can now take the drill and that's fixed right there. Extremely shiny, and added benefit is it's very smooth once you're done with it, because you're literally polishing out the imperfections. Let's see here. There's a little bit more right there. You gotta be careful, because this, without the cream, this heats up a lot. That's part of the process. You're heating up the plastic, blending in and giving it a shine. You can see that. Looks very, very nice compared to how it looked in the beginning. And there's still a scratch right there, but I can keep on going at it. At some point, you're not going to be able to do anymore, but at some point you won't be able to do anymore. But as you can see here, I was able to get rid of that scratch pretty much all the way. Just gonna and give it one more. Give it one more shot. And if you're able to get rid of all the residue, you have a nice, shiny, new laptop. That's it. You don't see any more of those nasty scratches or scuff marks. Well, I hope that helps. If you like this kind of video, subscribe, because I do a lot of different things with different hardware, and do creative things like this. So till next time.